Hey everyone, let's go have some fun at Toy Fair.
Can we follow you around Toy Fair?
Of course.
Lodi, show me what you think is the coolest stuff at Toy Fair this year.
All right, let's go find some fun. We're going to start with an old friend in the industry. His name is Dennis, and he has the Easy Roller. You may have seen our live in Nuremberg, where I rode the Easy Roller around. And I always have to get on an Easy Roller and do a little cruising. So this is Easy Roller, amazing ride-on toys. My kids love these when they're little, and actually they're big enough for me too. Turns on a dime and breaks. It's even plus blue. It's perfect.
Oh, plus blue.
Yes. Thank you, Dennis.
I love their booth. It's so calming in the storm. It's nice. I love it. They're so cute. Oh. Let me see. Brush the teeth a little bit.
Okay, I thought these were so cool. Railcube, every one of these displays looks like a little vending machine. And because we carry peanuts at Plus, we thought this was so cool. But look, it's like a little cup of noodles, slurp the fun, but inside you get a blind purchase. So there's all these fun characters, Spike and Joe Preppy and Stupid Fierce Pirate. And look at this, Sesame Street, so cute. And look at their little booth, it looks like a little restaurant.
All right, we've encountered some airToobz, and these are really fun, so let's give it a try. Should we try 2 at a time?
MAGNATILES. Little micromags, travel. They have a fun Valentine version and a springtime version. We love MAGNATILES.
So we're at the Scentco booth, and we're gonna look at the fart monsters. A fart monster is a stuffed animal that has a whoopee cushion in it, so it creates a fart when you sit on it or squeeze it or anything like that. Here's a lot of these over here. Let's try it out. Okay. Jasmine, how could you? Smelly balls. Ooh.
They stink.
Smell good, honestly. So we are still at the Scentco booth, and now we are going to look at their fidget dough. Ooh, that's nice. It's very smooshy.
Does it smell like anything?
Oh yeah, it smells really good. Mango, passion fruit. Let's smell them together. Mango, passion fruit.
So this is the launch pad. Lots of brand new companies, first time ever exhibiting at Toy Fair. This is super cool. I saw this last year in Nuremberg.
So it's a whole gaming system, like think of video games, but you remove the screens.
Right.
Therefore, it's just audio. And the way it works is every game you buy comes with a cartridge and a dedicated box. So this one is a musical game. It's called MC Muts, and it's about hip hop. So you pop the cartridge in to start the game, and then you choose the blocks you want to put on stage to perform. So we've got the singer, the DJ, the producer, and the beatbox.
Okay.
Beatbox. Sorry.
So I can start with the beatbox.
Yep. And if you change the zone, it's going to play a different style of beatbox.
Ah.
Give it up for the dogs. Give it up for the dogs.
So Rascals that's a new product line that we're launching in September.
Cool.
And to drive the car, you just place the head on it, and it's always going to drive forward.
Oh.
And the only way to make it turn left or right is by putting blocks on it.
Wow.
And we've got traffic lights. So now the light is red, it's going to go green.
Wow.
Hold on. All right, Izzy, what's going on?
Passing the mic.
This is 2 of our newest brands launching in 2026. This is called Twitch Bits. We gave out really fun names. It is this sensory compound that moves and wiggles. You can leave it out and it does not dry out. This is our light up gel gems. Feel this.
Wow.
It has a little light up ball in the middle, so I kind of squeeze it to the top and then I knock it and it lights up and I push it down.
That's super cool.
It's that sugar ball texture. And then I'll show you my favorite squishy toy for 2026. It's right here. Drum roll, Kate. On the drum.
On the drum. I didn't even.
Yes.
Oh, that's
So this is our squishy popsicle.
Wow.
Like this is, it has a little popsicle like wooden. How fun is that?
That's so cool.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
like
love
that.
this one. How adorable this is. And you just like, you want to squish it. You know, you're like, that's a really cute baby. I want to pinch its cheeks.
Yeah.
Like, that's what I'm doing with
It's
this.
the same vibes.
Same vibe, super cute, yeah.
Wow, and you can keep going.
Very cool.
So we've got that on our tail.
Amazing.
Decorate with charms, beads.
Very cool.
Good to go.
Look at this merchandising. This is amazing.
Oh, it's a watch.
Yeah.
Oh, how cute.
So cute. I love how they're merchandised in these little,
Like takeaway tips.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's adorable.
Squid.
They won the Powerfully Playful Award for their booth design. It's always really fun and engaging. So you probably know CrazyAarons from Putty, but they have all kinds of things now. They have dough, they have all kinds of creative. Look at this color mashup. So you get the putty and make your own colors and you can color on it. It changes colors
Wow.
with the ultraviolet light. Isn't that cool? Blue whale, green frog, so fun. We love CrazyAarons. These are brand new, pinchies. They squish. I think you can try to shoot them and score. Oh,
Hey, look
double
at that.
bullseye, look at that. So we're at Clixo. Clixo, we share a lot in common with Clixo. It's all about color, creativity, open-ended play. So, dinosaurs, wow, super cool. Clixo is open-ended, magnetic, creative, colorful, everything we want in a toy. Let's see if I can make a little accessory. Make your own coat of armor. Your own power cuff, Wonder Woman.
Yeah.
Oh wow, super cool. Look at that glitter. So fun. Oh, thank you.
That's what Valentine's Day.
Beautiful. That's so fun. So everybody loves squishy toys. Squishy things are so big right now. And I thought this was really fun because they're all scented and they're squishy things that you and your kids probably love. Like my kids love Sour Patch Kids. These are squishy Sour Patch Kids and they smell like Sour Patch Kids.
Thank you.
Oh, it's so satisfying and oh, it smells just like going to camp. Gonna make some s'mores. Thank you. Kool-Aid Man.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. That's great. Oh, amazing. So good. So great. Watch it wiggle. See it jiggle. Look at the little bread loaf cat.
Oh.
Wow.
Of course. You like the big pancakes.
Oh, yes. Hey, Squishy.
Oh, that's great. So satisfying. Slow rise squishies. Oh, I love Squishable. Look at the log. That's adorable. The little snail on it.
Aww.
Come on. The capybara. All right. So always Ty has this amazing, like they've got more lights than anybody. It's always so eye-catching with all of their amazing characters. It's so fun.
We're at the Waboba booth. Let's check out the bounce back moon ball. Let's see. Oh, do you throw it from the same? I see, yeah, you might need to take over. I'm bad at it. Let's see the real demo here, because I'm really bad. Oh, that's more like it.
Hand-eye coordination, great item. Love it. Do this, and then let this be on the bottom.
Okay. In the same hand, okay.
Yep. Nope.
Let's see. Oh, okay. I'm a pro now. Yeah.
This is Railcube. A lot of our specialty retail stores love Railcube. It was a bestseller for a lot of them last year. And I love how they set up this whole display and it looks like a giant Railcube on the floor. Look at that, it's like mind-bending. It's so cool. It's trains in multiple dimensions. So we're here in Smart Games, Smart Toys and Games with my friend Trey. They have the best games, travel games, family games, tabletop games. So tell us about Tiptoe Dino.
He wants to play with his big sister, but a lot of times with games, it's actually not great for him to play with, right? The pieces are too small. He doesn't have the gross motor, fine motor skills. With these, the super cool things are they're actually silicone. So if he wants to play with them, for him, playing is just setting it in the grid, right? So Cora's old enough, she can actually solve the puzzle. But Fritz is so young, he can play with it. But at the end of the day, it's still just a dino figurine, so he loves it. So he gets to feel like he's solving it. But he's just playing with dinos. And who doesn't love to play with dinos, man? So the challenge is when we're actually playing, there's different setups. So there's a starting point, and the objective is we're trying to get all the dinos on the board.
Right.
So they're tiptoeing around the eggs, so they can't crush the eggs in order to win. Brian, what would you, if I had to put you on the spot, what would you say your favorite dinosaur is and why?
My favorite dinosaur probably would be a pteranodon because they can fly. I mean, that's amazing.
Good answer.
Yeah. And our pteranodon is purple, so he's extra fun. Thanks, Trey.
No worries, man.
Thank you.
Bye.
So we're going around doing a little best of Toy Fair, so I had to come say hi. So this is Dave Urick of the Good Game Company and Good Game Company and Juby.
Yep.
So Dave is an amazing Greenville, South Carolina based game and toy creator. You want to show us something new and exciting, Dave?
You pick it. What do you want to see?
Let's show Not It. Do you have any new Not It titles this year?
I'm going to deal some cards to Ryan. I'll take some cards for myself.
Okay.
On each game card, there are 3 elements. In this version, Farmland Frenzy, there are farm animals, there are colors, and patterns. You have 3 dice right here. You got 1 with the farm animals, 6 different farm animals, 6 different colors, and 3 different patterns. Take turns rolling the dice out of the tower as the farmer. When these dice roll out, we are racing to find 1 card in our hand that does not match any of these things. Throw it down and yell, "Not it."
Not It.
Ryan would be first, so therefore I'm it. Now, if I threw down this card, I'd get busted because it's yellow, and therefore I'd have to take a penalty card.
And then Dave has this amazing outdoor game, Juby. All right, let's go. Oh! There we go. All right, that's Juby.